How to change Instagram name within 14 days. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on edit profile. So here you can just tap on the name and change the name over here. So let's just tap on the name. And you'll be able to change your name over here by tapping on edit profile over here. And if that does not allow you, because a lot of times it takes 14 days for you to change your name, so we can simply launch the Chrome browser on our device. And as we launch our Chrome browser, tap on the search bar and simply search for Instagram support over here. So let's tap on Instagram support, then tap on Instagram help center. And as I do that, you can just scroll down, or here you can just tap on the search bar and search for change the name. And when you search for it, you can see different options over here. So just tap on update a name over here and then scroll down to the very end, and here under the was this helpful category, tap on no. Then tap on the solution does not work, and then on the message box just message that you'd want to change your Instagram name, and it's not even been 40 days since you have changed, but you would want it due to a particular reason. You just need to mention your email ID and your username and tap on submit, and then the team of Instagram will contact you within 24 hours. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.